Hi, I'm Doug Langford with JDL Homes here in Vancouver. We're working today on a large character east side home on the east side of Vancouver. The homeowners here wanted to build a wonderful basement suite with some space for themselves. We did have a height restriction, so because the house is so old, we had some foundation issues and some plumbing issues, we've decided to lift and raise the house, redo all of the foundation, the surfaces underneath, a whole new basement slab, and build a brand new beautiful basement. So what the challenge with this house was to hold it up safely so we could work under here and take out some of the soil and the existing concrete. So if you actually look over to my left here, you'll see what we call cribbing, and we've got these large sort of 6x6 network of look like railway ties, and they are dug down to where we need to dig down anyway to get our height, to have a full height 8-foot high basement. And then we have a large steel beam that runs across the top the whole length of the house. So we have 3 sets of cribbing with a steel beam on this side of the house, and then over to the other side of the house we also have another set of 3 areas of cribbing and a steel beam. It makes it safe. It allows us to rebuild the foundation, the exterior walls, pour a new slab with all new plumbing and electrical, take this cribbing away, and the house just settles back out on the new wall, and they're left with something really beautiful. Thank you.